Hi, my name is Rebecca, and I am making a tenor uke. For me, it is a lot about the journey. You're able to pick up new skills and really develop a lot with your creative, artistic skills, I guess. A lot of it is kind of, you go along and you make it as you go. I was really unsure what to do, but then, you know, you have that spark moment and you go, yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then you just go with it and it turns out amazingly and it just works. And so in the end, you end up with a beautiful instrument, and I'm really excited for this to be finished because I can't wait to play it. So if you want to do what I'm doing and really find something that you enjoy, then the contact details will be at the end of this video.